In today's modern society, it's easy to be distracted. Oh, hang on. Hello? In today's modern society, it's easy to become distracted. Oh, hang on a sec. Yes, I've got 2 likes on my sex tape. In today's modern society, it's easy to be, ooh, look, a cat. Ninh explains, develop laser focus, increase concentration. One day, you'll wake up and realise, oh my god, I've not done anything with my life. Where did all that time go?
I'm old, my eyesight's gone, my knees are knackered, and my penis doesn't work.
Let's say you've got important stuff to do, but you're struggling to focus and concentrate on getting those tasks done, especially now that television and the internet is a big part of our lives. A lot of people are literally attached to their phones and their computers, not realizing that life is passing them by very, very quickly. In the most extreme cases, a lack of focus leads to the breakdown of relationships and the end of marriages. Why? Because you weren't paying attention. Well, Ninh has the answer. I'm Ninh, by the way. And here are my 7 surefire ways of increasing concentration and developing laser-like focus. Number 1, deal with one thing at a time. If you've got many decisions to make, chances are that you'll find it difficult to make them all. Make fewer decisions, make your life easier, and once you've only made 2 or 3 decisions, as opposed to 8 or 9, focus on getting one thing done at a time. Number 2, eliminate any distractions. If you know the phone and the internet and the television is going to be a distraction to you, get rid of them all temporarily. If you remove the ability to distract yourself, then you'll generally be less distracted. Number 3, stop browsing at stuff. A lot of people browse the internet, browse the television, browse catalogs to take their minds off things. But it's easier to be distracted if you're already distracted. So knock it off. Number 4, time yourself. My best friend at the moment is this kitchen timer. All I do is I set a time and I focus on nothing but getting the task done before the timer runs out. Number 5, if you find yourself getting distracted, use the 3-second rule. Without going into too much detail, just have a look at my video on using the 3-second rule to stop yourself from procrastinating. Number 6, reward yourself for progress. If you do all of this work and you don't see any progress and you don't reward yourself, then you're really not going to be doing it anymore. So guys, once you get a task done, give yourself a small reward. Cup of coffee here, cookie there, or something a little bit bigger. Number 7, when overwhelmed, do nothing. It sounds counterintuitive, but when you're overwhelmed and stressed and you've got too many things to do, it's a good idea to take a few minutes out to close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and focus on calming down and resetting your brain so that it's in a better position to make better decisions. If you like this video, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. You'll be able to download my free ebook right here, and you can follow me on social media right there. On a closing note guys, try these things out and watch as you get more things done with seemingly less effort. Once you learn how to concentrate this way, you'll be focused like a laser beam, and you'll never go back to your old ways. Let me know how you get along, comment section below.
I'm old.
No, wait, hang on, I can do this,
I'm old.
I've just realised I've actually set this timer and you'll be hearing tick, 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 tick throughout the whole soundtrack, so yeah, not the best thing I've ever done.